Welcome to Prodhut YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore how many units of electricity is consumed by refrigerator per day in India. Most people nowadays who are into purchasing the refrigerator will try to have a perfect calculation of the number of units consumed per day to analyze their monthly electricity bills. If you are one such person, this particular passage will allow you to know about the refrigerator and how many electricity they consume every day. Normally, when you purchase a refrigerator, the energy consumed will vary depending upon the star rating. So let us consider that you have purchased a decent star rated refrigerator that consumes a standard amount of electricity. So under these conditions, upon a full day, the refrigerator will consume at least 1 to 2 kilowatts of electricity per hour. So normally, the energy consumption per day will be 12 to 24 kilowatts. Practically, we can't provide a permanent statement regarding the consumption of electricity by the refrigerator because they vary according to the fridge's quantity and the type of functions you use in them. For example, when you have placed the refrigerator's temperature setting to the maximum, then the amount of power consumed by the fridge will be higher. Similarly, using a high capacity of 180 to 250 liters will increase the power consumption by a lot. Similarly, when you are using a refrigerator with only 80 liters of capacity, then the power consumption will be 0.64 kilowatt per hour, which is much lesser than the other models. So, when you are purchasing the refrigerator, check the guidebook. It is used for calculating the amount of power consumed according to the settings. This feature will allow you to make a final decision, especially in maintaining the energy. Calculating the amount of electricity consumed will allow you to lead an economic life, especially in terms of the refrigerator. How you can prevent them from extra consumption? To protect your household from having a high electricity bill, there are certain things that you can follow. The first thing that you need to do is use a stabilizer for the refrigerator to consume even the amount of electricity all the time. The stabilizer will also prevent the refrigerator from having damages as a result of high power exposure. Always keep the refrigerator door closed so that the energy consumption will be minimum. When you open and close the refrigerator constantly, there will be a requirement to cool the refrigerator's air every time you open and close, which requires extra work and energy consumption. This model can be prevented by taking all the required items in a single time rather than opening and closing them constantly. The cooling temperature of the refrigerator should be kept at a minimum temperature. Sometimes certain food items do not require maximum cooling. So under such situations, you can keep the cooling temperature at the minimum point to reduce energy consumption. Unless you are keeping high quality cooling products like ice creams and chocolates, there is no requirement for you to have a high temperature within the refrigerator. Even during this situation, you can choose to place the ice creams in the freezer so that the temperature will be equal and the ice creams will not melt.